Right, so now as we move on to the next part of the video, in this next part I'm going to be taking off the engine head, head gasket, and we'll be trying to get the engine to move. Now in the next video of the restoration there will be a lot better camera work and there won't be as many voiceovers as there might be in this one, and more talking will be actually in the video, and there'll be more in-depth, I suppose, from now on. Now I have decided to go with the approach with the restoration as not to fully restore it. I'm just going to keep it as kind of a, original. I'm not going to fully restore it. I just want to get it up and running so I can use it and take it to shows and do stuff like that. But anyway, without any further ado, I will stop this recording and I will put us back into the video. Right, so, quick update. As you probably saw, we got the engine going. Not going, but free. Got it free and moving, as you can now see. It's easy to turn, and there it is. The engine is now free. it's going to take a bit of wiring and quite a while longer to get it to actually run, but at least now the engine turns over, which is really good. I'm really happy about this. So yeah, now the engine turns over, we just got to clean up the engine head, and then we've got to rebuild the engine effectively. But yeah, so I'm really happy about this. This is really cool. We've finally got it to turn over. Hopefully soon it will be running. But yeah, so yeah. Okay, so as you saw in the last section of the video, we got the engine to turn, which I'm really happy about. What you didn't see off camera is that when we moved the tractor forwards with the crank handle, for some reason the gearbox wouldn't go back into neutral. So we had to get the van, we had to tow the tractor backwards, to tow it backwards out the garage a bit. Now I kept it in first for now, but I changed gears to make sure it was still free. Put it back into first, and then Dad turned the crank handle to move the tractor forwards. And once we got it into the right place, I put it into neutral and we stopped the tractor. Now what I'm going to do though is I'm going to try and rebuild the engine, which I will do, and then work my way from there. I have found some brake problems on the rear. There is no brakes at all at the moment, so I'm going to have to rebuild them, but that'll be probably in like part 4 or 5. But anyway, for now let's just get back to this video. Right, well, the order's here, but instead of just one thermostat housing, I got 2 thermostat housings instead of one set of gaskets. I got 2 sets of gaskets, which is fine. But then I got these. I can't use these. These are giant bolts. I need small bolts that go in here. Look, that go in these holes. These ones here, there. I mean, come on. And now I have 3 thermostat housings. This one I had to cut off, by the way. But I have 3 thermostat housings. What am I going to do with this? I mean, seriously. What am I going to do with this? And these bolts are useless. Oh dear. Oh dear. Right, so as you can see, I had a little bit of an issue with some parts orders. So, we also just want to say that there isn't any more footage from further review. I couldn't find any more footage for the part 2 of the restoration, as I think it's been corrupted. But yes, the next part will be a bit more descriptive. I hope you like the photos in the background. You can find more of those at my Instagram, which is at Aidan Jarvis, where I post updates of what I do around the property and about the tractor and everything else. So I'm going to end this video here. It's quite a short video, I know. It's only like 8 or 9 minutes, but it might be longer than that actually. Yeah, it might be longer than that, but still, the part 3 might be a bit longer. Hopefully it will be. Not too long though. I don't really want to take my videos too much further than half an hour. But yeah, if there's anybody who would like to offer any tips or tricks or anything for these Fergies, then I'd be much appreciating. I'd very much appreciate that. But